found these beautiful felt flower embellishments in the craft aisle near the candles and the vases. All of that stuff is in the same aisle in the Dollar Trees near me. And they came in several sizes and colors. I thought they were really pretty. They seem like they would be pretty simple to make, but for $1, it would probably cost me about $1 to buy the felt to make them. I found this little chenille style scarf. It's really small, so it would probably be cute for a child, but of course I'm going to use it for crafting. It's really soft, and it's 30 inches by 4.5 inches. I also picked up some vanilla votive candles. These are a little bit less than 2 inches tall, and they'll be featured in one of my crafts too. Speaking of crafts, I picked up a few more of the styrofoam carvable pumpkins. You can do so much with these, and I'm looking forward to sharing some of my crafts with you on these, so stay tuned for that. I picked up one of the hurricane style vases. I did only need one for my project, but I thought this would come in really handy for what I'm going to make with it, and I hope I inspire you to make something similar. I think this would be pretty on a table setting or just pretty to be out for the fall season. I picked up a package of paper coasters. You get 8 pieces, and they are a foil accent on each of them, but of course I'm not going to use them for coasters. You will see these in another DIY project coming your way very soon. I grabbed one of the stencil brushes, and I've already taken it out of the package because I'm going to be using it in just a few minutes. I also grabbed 3 more of the thankful signs. You'll be seeing these and some DIYs coming soon too. I love the checkered design on the side of them. I'm not much for getting my lashes done, but when I do want to extend my own lashes, these really come in handy. This is a new brand, and I'll be trying this one, and I hope that I like them, but I figured for $1 it was worth a shot. I finally found more of the wired jute cord. I'll be using these in projects coming soon too, and Christmas season is coming, and I'm sure I will be using this on some Christmas DIYs. So this is kind of a mixture of things. So I have some fall items, some Christmas items. I found this stencil. It's Let It Snow, and I thought it was beautiful, and I love the fact that it's not too huge. It'll be easy to store. These came in different sayings, Winter Wonderland and things like that, but this is the only one I wanted, so that's all I bought. Also for Christmas, I found these adorable red truck ornaments, and I probably will use 1 or 2 as actual ornaments, but I'll be using the others in DIY projects. I found this really pretty burlap style paper. It's paper, but it really does look like burlap fabric. There was only 1 roll at the Dollar Tree that I went to, and I've never seen it at another store. It's by Canon Company, and it says right on here, burlap printed paper roll. So I hope I can find more because I know this is definitely going to come in handy. I purchased several of the men's fleece scarves. I love this black and white check, and I also love this red, black, and white one. I picked these up for my sister, but I got these for myself, and I'll be doing a DIY with these for the upcoming Christmas season. I also picked up some baby wipes because I like to use these on my dog, and I also like to use them to clean my hands while I'm crafting. I found a few more of the 3D style wire pumpkin frames, so I'll be sharing a DIY with you on this very soon, and I really hope you like it. I have 2 of the 18-inch wire wreath forms. I'm finding that most Dollar Tree stores that I've been to are carrying these now. I also picked up a couple packages of the Peace, Joy, and Believe metal signs. You get 3, 1 of each saying per package. I'm so glad that Dollar Tree has begun to sell these right angle style rulers. These come in really handy when crafting, and I misplaced mine a long time ago and found that replacing it was going to be really expensive. So this is just perfect. I also found this really pretty glitter at Dollar Tree, and I really wish that I had picked up some containers to put it in. So there's like a copper, there's black, navy blue, silver, and 2 iridescent whites. I don't use a ton of glitter, but I thought these colors were really pretty. I found one terrarium planter. I plan to use this for a Christmas DIY. I also purchased 2 packages of the Color Your Own ornaments. These are wood. Of course, I don't plan to color them, but you'll see these featured in some Christmas DIYs. I also purchased 2 of the wood cutout Christmas trees. This one is another Color Your Own product, but I love the size of it. And if you notice, the back of it is not printed, and I can always paint over the front as well. I purchased 1 splatter screen. If you'll notice, this is the screen without the handle. My store did have them both, but I plan to do something different with this one. So you'll see this featured in a DIY project too. I purchased 2 packages of the 2-pack cookie sheets. I also purchased an assortment of burlap ribbon. I picked up a couple in the tan color and just one of each in the colors that you see here. There's a light pink, a dark, almost Christmas green, and also kind of a Tiffany blue or turquoise. I have 2 of the glass candle votives. These are kind of in a smoky color. They came in kind of a gold hue and also in clear. I purchased a few packages of raffia. I picked up a few packages of these poster stickers. On the characters you get 56 pieces, and on the numbers there are 30 pieces. And the letters and the numbers all came in various fonts. These are just the 3 that I selected to get. I purchased 1 more package of the Jolie's Boutique embellishments. These are also stickers and they're really small, so I'm sure that I'll be using them on some DIY project, and I thought they were really pretty. If you can see them closely, I'm not sure if you can or not, there's kind of some scrolling, they're kind of lacy looking. I thought they were very pretty. There's 10 pieces or strips per package. I grabbed this adorable red hat. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to wear it or use it for a DIY. Who knows? We'll see what happens with it. I went to 3 Dollar Trees looking for marbles. 1 Dollar Tree had this repackaged bag of marbles, so that's all I was able to get. So I'm going to have to search through my craft items to find other pieces. I picked up some gold thumbtacks. I don't need them for a project that's coming up, but I do know that I don't have any gold ones and I will be needing them for something in the future. So while I was thinking about it, I grabbed them. I purchased 1 little wood shop bird feeder. I want a couple of the pieces of wood that are in here. I'm not actually going to make the bird feeder itself. I thought these were really pretty and I will be using them for a Christmas project very soon. I also picked up 2 picks of the fall berries. I told you I'm mixing up everything here. I have supplies for both fall and for Christmas. I purchased 1 of the straight medium-sized glass vases. I also purchased 2 of the glass candle holders. I purchased 1 in the short size and 1 in the medium. I also picked up this adorable basket. It's just one of the wire mesh style baskets. I'm actually going to use it as it's intended. I'm going to use it to keep some supplies handy on my new craft table. I picked up 1 stem of the cream or off-white color mini mums. These came in different colors, kind of a dark orange and a dark burgundy. I also purchased 1 package of various colored blue and green sequins. I thought the colors were beautiful, and I do plan to use these in a project very soon. I was also fortunate enough to find 4 of the little red trucks, the flat ones, and I'm looking forward to creating something really pretty, really cute for the upcoming holidays. Lastly, for Christmas, I picked up these DIY stickers. They are snowflakes, Christmas trees, and presents. The Christmas trees are adorned with glitter, and I could either re-glitter them or paint them, and I can paint the snowflakes and the presents. So I thought these would be really cute on some upcoming DIYs. Another piece from Dollar Store is this stencil wheel. I love the flowers that are on here. There's quite a variety of them, so you'll be seeing this used on some DIYs very soon. Lastly, at Dollar Tree, I found this adorable eyelash sign. It says dreaming, and I'm going to do some painting, some embellishments on here to make it coincide with some of the decor that I have at my dressing table. I thought it was really pretty. Since my Dollar Tree is right next to Dollar General, I hopped on over and found this adorable quilted style plaid Christmas bow. This was only $2, and I think it would be really pretty on a Christmas wreath or on some type of decoration for Christmas around our home. While perusing around the Dollar General store, I found these David Tutera gold card holders. They are metal, as you can hear, and you get, it looks like about 10 of them for $7.50. Of course, I don't plan to use them for place card holders, but I do plan to make something that I hope will turn out very pretty. They were marked at $7.50 and I got them for less than $5. So that really is really inexpensive. So it kind of made them 50 cents a piece. So I really think these will come in really handy for what I'm going to do with them, and I may even have a couple left to create something else later.